Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening settings and tapping sound and vibration so you change the ringtone directly. Make sure phone volume is up, because if it's muted you won't hear previews. If you already downloaded a track, place it in music or downloads so the system can see it. Once done, tap phone ringtone. This moves you into the selection list. This direct route skips widgets and third-party apps and gets you straight to the phone tone options fast. You now select a ringtone from the built-in list or add your own. Tap Add or the plus icon to open the file picker. Navigate to Downloads or Music and pick MP3 or M4A. Android recognizes common formats. Preview each tone so you confirm loudness and length. Short ringtones work better for calls. If you need to edit start time, use an audio app first, then reselect. Make sure to press Done or Save. Otherwise, the phone keeps the previous ringtone. You finish by tapping Save or OK to apply the new ringtone, then verify it. Call your number from another phone or set the tone in a contact settings to confirm it plays correctly. If the tone doesn't appear, move the file into the ringtones folder at the root of internal storage and retry. Android scans that folder automatically. If problems persist, clear the settings app cache, reboot the phone, and reselect the ringtone. That usually fixes missing or unrecognized files.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.